The Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha went to Ujjayanta Palace to meet the Tipra Motha Chairman Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma on Thursday midnight. They had a discussion between them for about 30 minutes. However, the Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha refused to say nothing on what issues they had a discussion.
The state was burning in aggression because of the statement given by the Chief Minister about not to call Bubagra Pradyot Kishore Debbarma as Maharaja. As such burning situation, the Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha went to the Ujjayanta Palace to meet the Tipra Motha Chairman Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma on Thursday midnight. All of a sudden, all the press reporters went to the Ujjayanta Palace immediately after they got the information about the Chief Minister went to meet the Maharaja. All the press reporters went to the Ujjayanta Palace immediately after they got the information about the Chief Minister went to meet the Maharaja. However, they were not allowed to enter inside the Ujjayanta Palace. They had a discussion for about 30 minutes. However, Wasi went to appease or apologize to Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma for giving his statement about not to call Maharaja to him. There is no clear point about their discussion. As such, Dr. Manik Saha refused to say nothing on what issue they had a discussion. However, the people of the state were miserable by the Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha suddenly went to meet with Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma in the name of his health inquiry. Similarly, the Chief Minister did not say nothing for apology about his statement to Maharaja. Reported by Pranab and Krishanu from Agartala, Chini Khorang.